Hey everybody, welcome back. Another day, another multi-bit tool review. And this is a good one because it's two tools in one kit. This is the Milwaukee ratcheting screwdriver with stubby accessory. Now the stubby does not ratchet, but it does have tool storage in here. There's 6 tools in here and 1 in the front. And the Milwaukee has 12 tools in here and 1 in the front. So that's 20 tools. This is a 20 in 1, 20 in 2, I guess we gotta call it, set of tools from Milwaukee. And currently this thing is on Amazon for like 28 bucks. But I can tell you I got it at the Home Depot. Remember, the Home Depot sells all kinds of Milwaukee stuff these days. And during Black Friday, they had this in one of their cardboard displays for $19.99, and that was a great deal. I socked it up, and I'm gonna guess they're gonna be doing a sale like that soon here in late spring, early summer, where they kind of do a, what do they call it now, spring Black Friday or something. You know, they're always making these sales up, so who the hell knows. I'm gonna go to my notes here and try to read you some of the bits, because this is an interesting set. It has some bits in one that are not in the other. So the combination of both tools gets you the 20 bits, and it's kind of one set. You have, you know, square 1, square 2, Phillips head 1, slotted quarter, slaughter 3/16, T15, a 1/4-inch nut driver. But then in the larger one, that's what's in the stubby. In the larger one, you have Phillips 2, Phillips 1 again, square 1, square 2, square 3 now, slotted 3/16. Okay, so they have ECX1 and ECX2 in here as well, which are the electrical ones like the Vessel had. I'll show you that again with an outlet so you know what that does. The set is pretty inclusive. I will list down below what all of them are. It is kind of inclusive, and there, like I said, there's a Phillips 3 in one, but not in the other. So to get all of the bits, actually there's 22 bits combined. There's 8 and 14. To get all of the bits, you need them both together, because you might have a Phillips 3 in here and not in here, or vice versa. Now, there's no law that says you can't take and make your own little kit and put them in this one. You know, you can take them out of this one, put them in this one, vice versa, put whatever you want in where you want. Now, so it's a good selection of bits. The main driver is ratcheting, and it's nice and long, and it has a very good feel to it. This is one of the better made tools on the whole thing that I'm doing here. As you would imagine, Milwaukee is a good brand of tools. I would call them fairly in the, I don't know that I'd put premium in front of their name, but they are definitely, for in the home center, they're the top tier in Home Depot for sure. And this one is definitely that. It turns very nice. Its ratcheting works very well. The tool storage is a little finicky just because they're small. It works. They're just, you know, the fact that they're tiny just makes it a little different to get them in and out, because they do, again, all of the tools that have this many either use a case or they have to use the small bits. You can't have the big bits and put them in the handle for the most part unless you have just a few of them. Now, the stubby is really kind of the star of this show. He, you know, it's a magnetized bit holder that goes in there, and then the bits go into here. So you got a little 1/4-inch driver here as well. You put your bits in here, and you could actually take this bit driver out, pull this one out, and put it in here, and make yourself kind of a mid-sized screwdriver. So it's kind of a 3-in-1 if you look at it that way, which is really kind of nice. I like it in this format right here, to be honest with you. But this is how it comes shipped, where you got the big, long, nice screwdriver, get good torque out of a long tool, and you have the short one. So, you know, if you're a Milwaukee fan, you're probably going to buy this tool, because this is a very good tool. Build quality is just about as good as anything I've touched. These are very well made tools. and they work well. These, you know, unlike the Pittsburgh that I did yesterday, where I say they're probably for the casual user to put in the junk drawer to occasionally work on things, these you can put in your toolbox and use daily. These should last you with daily use. These are very good tools, and I would not hesitate to grab these every day and go do whatever I need to do. Now, I mentioned again that this has 2 of the electrical outlet bits. Okay, so what I have in here is what Milwaukee is calling the ECX2 bit. And what it is kind of a slotted screwdriver that has a diagonal square drive at the end. And they are kind of just made to go into the screws on the side of an outlet. And it's very easy to then just adjust and turn these screws. This and the Klein are the only 2 that I know that have these. And if you do a lot of electrical work, it's nice to have them in here. Again, I will recommend only mess with electricity if you know what you're doing. You know, if you're just a homeowner and you don't know what you're doing with electricity, probably let a professional take care of that for you. But changing an outlet is really, I consider it a homeowner doable task if you know what you're doing. You know, so if you know how to do an outlet, you have the bits here to do it. Otherwise, you have a good collection of bits between the 2. So this is a very good kit for people that use your tools quite a bit. Obviously, you can keep it in your junk drawer for when you have to assemble things, just like any of these tools. They're perfect for assembling the IKEA you know, stuff that you get in the, you know, or from Amazon that you have to assemble. We all have to assemble things these days. It's the way of the world. So Milwaukee, these are good. These are premium in my mind, as good as you're going to get in the home center. I think this is an excellent set. It's worth the $27.99 if you have to pay that price. If you can wait and get it when it goes on sale at the Home Depot for 20 bucks, it's a great deal at that price. Here's the 2 of them. This is what they look like. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Tomorrow, we are going to cover something that I just recently picked up because I loved this vessel so much, but had a few issues with it. I found another vessel that actually ratchets and comes with a whole bunch of tools in a little plastic case. So we're going to do another vessel tomorrow. We'll see you then.